Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to block someone on Snapchat. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Snapchat account. Once you get there, you simply click on what? The contact list, that's the chat list. After which, you simply enter the contact you want to block. So, let me say this. After choosing the contact, you simply click on their profile. Once you're there, you simply click on these three dots here. So you are going to see report and block. So I'm going to click on what? Block. So guys, that is actually the way you block someone on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.